Hi, I'm Margaret, and today's recipe is soft rolls with a lovely crispy topping. There are a few ingredients in this recipe that make a real difference to the finished bread. A little milk powder into the flour and a little oil into the warm water will make these little rolls beautifully soft in the centre. And later in the video, I'm going to show you how I make them nice and crispy on top. There goes the oil. And then we'll pour that mixture into the flour and give it a good mix with the fork, just to make sure that the flour's incorporated. Now you can knead this mixture by hand, but I like to use an electric mixer with a dough attachment. It's far easier on the wrists. About 5 minutes will do. There, you can see how beautifully smooth it's become. We just need to cover this now with a little bit of cling film, pop it into a warm place and let it rise for about an hour or until it's doubled in size. There, look at that. The next important step is to flour the board. We need to put this dough onto the board and knock all the air out of it that we can. We don't want any great big bubbles or holes in the bread. A little bit of flour on top so our fingers don't stick. And then I'm going to give it a really good thump with my wrist, just to push that air out. There, that should do it. Let's bring it together. And I'm going to make this bit more flour. I'm going to make this into a long sausage shape, so it's easy to cut into 12 different pieces. I want to make the pieces quite even, and using a weighing scales could help here. I found that each one should weigh about 71 grams. Now to roll them into little balls. Then onto a lined baking tray, and I'm going to cover these with a piece of cling film to stop them from drying out. And again, they need to double in size. Now for the trick that makes them beautifully crispy on top. And it's really simple too. All the ingredients get put together into the bowl, dry ingredients first, followed by the wet ones. There we go. Oh, mustn't forget the salt. Then we give it a good mix, leave it to one side, and it will thicken nicely. And when the rolls are ready, we just pop a nice big teaspoon on top of each one. And then with a brush, I tend to brush it over to make it an even cover. And there they are, soft rolls with a beautiful crunch. Delicious. Thanks so much for joining me. Have a great week. Catch you soon.